Hey everyone, today we're going to open up a brand new box of Topps Chrome Disney 2026 release. This is a mega box. Just came out, super excited to open it. These are some of my favorite trading cards. In this mega box, you will get 8 packs, 7 cards per pack, 56 cards total. Of those, there will definitely be 4 X Factor parallels and 2 exclusive Moana 10th anniversary. So that's cool. We are chasing the Mickey Mouse Chicago Cubs card. There is a very minimal chance that we would get it inside one of these mega boxes, but we're going to take a shot and see if we can find it. If anybody out there finds the Mickey Chicago Cubs card, leave a comment and let us know. We might be interested in buying it or trading for it, or maybe we find something that you want and we can work out a deal that way. But yeah, we are chasing that Mickey Mouse Cubs card. We also like to take these cards to the park, get them signed by the characters, give them out on our Patreon. If you're not a member, we'll leave a link in the description box below. And let's open up some cards. Okay. All right. I'm pretty sure these are available all the major retailers. Topps online. Should be able to find them. But they are very popular and they do sell out quickly. So, I suggest, if you're interested, don't wait. All right, here we go. Let's see what we can find. There. Got them out. Tried to make it. Now, we're not a professional card ripping channel. You guys know that. Anybody that's tuning in for the first time and is like, why are they going so slow? Because we don't normally do these videos, but we like Disney cards. We like Topps, so we're going to try this product. So if we're going too slow for you, that's why. Also, you may have noticed our lovely wrapping paper background here, just because I thought it was better than just plain white wall. Just wanted to make it more interesting. Okay, so we've got 8 packs, 7 cards per pack. Let's open up the first one. Maybe we'll get lucky and we will find Mickey Mouse dressed in a Cubs uniform. That would be spectacular. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Oh, these are so cool. I already enjoy them. Alice in Wonderland. Monsters, Inc. 25th anniversary. Oh, Edna Mode. My best friend loves her. We will send that to you. Nemo. Adorable. Rapunzel. And Atlas. Very cool. Next packet. Let's get the garbage out of there. All right, come on, Mickey. You know you want to play for the Cubs. Where are you? Okay. There's Goofy. That's cool. Oh, we got a Iconic Moments, Emperor's New Groove. Awesome. Oh, this is our first X Factor. John Silver. Very nice. Olaf. Very cool. And March here. And, oh, Cinderella live action. Very good. All right. Next pack. I know a lot of people are after the Disney Channel inserts. We are after the baseball inserts. Jesse. Oh, see, here you go. Livy McGuire. Livy and Maddie. Disney Channel throwback card. Oops. Mike Wazowski. Oh, here's one of the Moana cards. Kakamora. Those are cool. And oh, the Maples from Hoppers. Is that right? No, it's Zootopia. Oh my gosh, Zootopia. I enjoyed both movies. There we go. All right, Marlin. Pascal. Oh, Future Stars, Rabbit. Nice. Oh, Darkwing Duck, another X Factor. Very cool. Star. Oh, the captain from WALL-E. Awesome. Fozzie Bear. Come on. Muppets. That's awesome. Love Fozzie. He's going to go right there. Just because the Muppets are the best. Okay. Oh, see, I am not good at opening the packs because I am not a professional card breaker. But I'm doing the best I can. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video. All right, Aladdin. Oh, Gus. Cute. Oh, here's one of the cars. Sleepy Mac. Oh, wow. That is very shiny. Very cool. Oh, we got something numbered. We got something numbered. Anxiety. Oh my gosh. Look at that. An Anxiety Ray Wave numbered to 225. That's a hit, guys. Awesome. And one of my favorite movies. Okay, we also have to put this in a... Hold on. Okay, this is amazing. Hold up. Just put it in a sleeve, make it all protected. Yes. That is rad. Cool. Very nice. 161 out of 225. Amazing. You're going to go up on the stage too. Look at that. All right. Cool. All right. Where were we? All right. We got Louie. Beast. Excellent. Nice. Beauty and the Beast. One of my all-time favorite movies. Love it. Beast, you got to go up here too. We don't have space. We'll figure it out. I'll put you right there for now. Okay. And Doug. Got a dog. Doug. Dogs go on the stage as well because dogs are the best. All right. This is excellent. Oh my goodness. I'm already excited about this product and now I'm loving it even more. I'd have to get another box. Dr. Fuzzy. Nice. Oh, Sadness. Ooh. Darkwing Duck poster. Wait a second. Hold on, I think this is another hit. Wait a minute. This is awesome! Darkwing Duck. Very cool. Ooh! Belle! Yes! One of the refractors is Belle. This is great! All right, I'm gonna put you down there with Beast. All right, Cars. Oh, Huey. All right, so now we just need Dewey. We've got Louie and Huey and Mater. Awesome. This is great. Okay, 2 more packs. We're doing well. These are great. Oh, Judy Hopps. Amazing. There's also Beauty and the Beast sketch cards that we're after and shadow box cards of the Rose. Also looking for those. Hopefully those will turn up. But that Mickey Mouse Cubs, that's the Holy Grail. That's the one we're really wanting. All right, Tiana, why are you backwards? You numbered? No. Okay. Ooh, our second Moana card. Very cool. Mirabelle. Elliot. Peach Dragon. Nice. Okay. Last pack. Come on, Mickey. Be in a Cubs outfit. You know you want to. Come on. This would be the best box of cards ever. I mean, it's already pretty nice, but that would just kick it up a notch. All right. Disney Channel. Jacques. More Disney Channel. Ariel. And Dante. And Oh, Mayor Jerry. Okay. So that was not bad at all. Okay, let's go over what we got. All right, Monsters, Inc. Doug. Okay, so our refractors are 1, 2, 3, 4. Moana. Hold on. I seem to be... Oh, here it is. Here it is. I got it. It's Ariel. Okay. So, we got our 4 refractors. Did we only get one? Oh, wait. No, I see it. Hold on. I see it. Right here. Okay. So, our 4 X refractors. We got Darkwing Duck, John Silver, Ariel, and Belle. Those are really nice. Those are awesome. I like all of those. We got Doug, which is just cool because he's a dog. All dogs are good. We got Beast to go with Belle. Perfect. We got our Monsters, Inc. 25th anniversary. Very good. And we got our 2 Moana 10th anniversary. Te Fiti and Kakamora. Those are good. But the hit of the box was the Numbered Anxiety Ray Wave. Numbered at 225. Awesome. This is excellent. Okay, I would totally buy another one of these boxes. This is fantastic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not our usual content, and we will see you guys soon. Cheers.